In this video, I am going to show you how to convert any Word or doc file into a JPG file. For doing this, we will use two methods. One, direct Word to JPG, and then number two, Word to PDF, then PDF to JPG. For doing this, we will use a website named zamzar.com. If we search this, we are now in zamzar.com and tap on add file and select the file which we want to convert as JPG. Our file is uploading. From this format tab, select JPG and then tap on convert now. The file is converting. Our file is ready to download. Tap on download. You can see here our file has been downloaded. Let's click to open this. Here you will find this is our converted JPG file from Word. Now method 2. We will save this file as PDF. From here, tap on save as, select the destination. Here I am selecting desktop. You can type a name for this file and then from this file type select PDF and tap on save. Our PDF file has been created. Let's go back to our browser. On our browser, type PDF to JPG converter and you will find a lot of websites. I like small PDF most. You can drop your file, drag and drop your file here, or you can upload your file. Here we are uploading. You can see this file is a PDF file. Our file has been uploaded. Convert the entire page. Choose option and our file is converting. Here you can see our file is ready. You can download it from here or share this. Tap on download, save to device, and you can see our file has been downloaded. Let's open this once again. Show the folder and extract all. And here you can see our file is ready here. By this two way you can convert a Word file into a JPG file or a Word file into a PDF file, and then you can convert it into a JPG file. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe our channel to see the latest videos. Thanks for watching.